Right, this book is called Caterpillar to Butterfly, and it's another one of our books that we read for our butterfly unit. This one's a National Geographic for kids. Yeah. Level 1. We have our table of contents. What's going to be in our book? Riddle. What starts as an egg, then walks on many legs, and then uses wings to fly? A butterfly. We already talked about the different life cycle of the butterfly, the different parts, different stages. Starts as an egg and turns into that caterpillar, right? Yeah. Butterfly. Beautiful butterflies. Butterflies are wonderful to watch. They fly with loops and dives. Some have bright wings and some have bold patterns too. Look how beautiful those are. It says, what do you call an insect that's running out of gas? Oh, it's got the answer upside down. A sputter-by butterfly. Ha ha ha, it's going to sputter by. Ha. That's pretty funny. All right, look at all the beautiful butterflies. Okay, we got the 4 stages, it says. The 4 stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. It's also fun to watch butterflies change. They change a lot in their short life. In fact, there are 4 stages of a butterfly's life. We start as an egg, very teeny tiny. And then we have a caterpillar, that's stage 2. We have the chrysalis. And then we have butterfly last. Okay, it says catchword, stages, steps of how something grows. Huh, that's pretty neat, huh? This is a monarch butterfly. That's what it's telling us. It's a monarch butterfly. Stage 1, the egg. A mother butterfly lays many eggs on a leaf or a branch. Each egg is close to its food. Caterpillar food, that is. Look at all those eggs. Look at all that. It says butterfly eggs come in many different shapes. These kind of look cone-like. Oh, look, those are long and spindly, huh? Oh, and there's that one down at the bottom. Kind of looks smashed. Stage 2, caterpillar stage. The tiny caterpillar bites a hole in the egg. It crawls out. The caterpillar is very hungry. The caterpillar eats its shell. Then it eats the leaf it was on. The caterpillar moves to another leaf and it eats that too. A very hungry caterpillar, right? The caterpillar grows and grows. It gets too big for its skin. It sheds its old skin like a snake. Here we get the caterpillar. It says small white butterfly caterpillar. And there's its old skin up there. Ooh, old skin. The new skin fits for a while, but then the caterpillar is too big for that skin too. Caterpillars shed their skin 4 or 5 times, it says. What it says up here. What is green and dangerous? A caterpillar with a bad temper. Silly jokes. All right, the chrysalis stage. This is a monarch caterpillar. By now, the caterpillar is ready to rest. It hangs upside down and sheds its old skin one more time. The new layer is called the chrysalis. It is a hard shell. Inside, the caterpillar is changing. It stays in its chrysalis for 10 to 14 days. Remember we said we call that the J? When they start to form that J hook, we know they're getting ready to go into that chrysalis stage when we watch them in the classroom. Okay, stage 4. Butterfly. A chrysalis moves. It splits open. The butterfly wiggles out. Its wings are wet and crumply. See how they're all crumpled up? They were all smashed in that chrysalis, right? Blood pumps into the butterfly's wings. They get bigger and harder as the wings dry. Now the butterfly is ready to fight. fly. It says, have a good trip, butterfly. All right, look how pretty they are. All right, here's another joke. You ready? It says, how are caterpillars and babies alike? They both creep and crawl. It says, time for lunch. A butterfly doesn't eat plants like a caterpillar. It has no mouth. Time for lunch. A butterfly doesn't eat plants like a caterpillar. It has no mouth. A butterfly drinks nectar from a flower. It drinks juice from the fruit. A tube on its head works like a straw. Slurp, it says. We talked about that in some of the other books. It's got that long, skinny tongue. Nectar, a sugary liquid found in flowers. Cool butterfly facts. It's got a bunch of butterfly facts in the back of that. Number 1, butterfly wings are covered with tiny scales. Okay, number 2, right here, number 2. The world's smallest butterfly is a blue pygmy. And it says the length of a pushpin for its wings. Oh, a pushpin, teeny tiny, right? Butterflies are found all over the world except for the Antarctic and the driest deserts. No flowers there, probably. That's probably why. Number 4, there are about 17,000 kinds of butterflies in the world. That's a lot of butterflies. Butterflies taste with their feet. They have taste sensors there. Oh, that is crazy. Look. Taste with their feet. Number 6. The world's largest butterfly is the Queen Alexandria birdwing. It's as long as a ruler from wing to wing. That's 12 inches. All right. It says back off. Caterpillars and butterflies are a tasty snack for predators, but they have tricks to keep predators away. So it says some hide using camouflage. We've talked about camouflage before. They're kind of hard to see. They blend in. And it says some can be deadly to eat, meaning they're poisonous. And it says, some look like other things. What does this one look like? Looks like a snake, doesn't it? Camouflage. We talked about what camouflage is. A predator is an animal that eats other animals. Okay, moth or butterfly. Butterflies. They have antennae, are tiny and have little knobs at the ends. Their bodies are slender. They can be brightly colored and mostly fly during the day. Moths, their antennae are slim and pointed and look like feathers. See that? They look like feathers. Okay. Bodies are fat and furry, usually brown, tan, or white, and they mostly fly at night. All right, the difference between a butterfly and a moth. It says moth and butterflies look alike. Here's how you can tell them apart. Okay, bringing butterflies to your yard, right? You can plant flowers. It says you can bring butterflies to your backyard. Make a butterfly garden. But first, ask an adult for help. And it tells you what you're going to need. You're going to need plants that have lots of flowers. Yep. All right. Right, the life cycle of a butterfly. Says the picture shown up close, it views a butterfly things. Use the hints below to figure out what's in the picture. Well, we know what that one is. What is that? That's that egg, right? This is the chrysalis. Oh, and here they're talking about camouflage. And that is the caterpillar, right up close. What is that? That's that wing. And that's the antennae, right? The very top. All right. From caterpillar to butterfly, guys.